In this lesson, I'm going to teach you a level 5 arrangement of Caprice by Paganini. Let's go to the piano. Let's try the first two measures of Caprice. Put the one finger on A. It will start with A, C, B, A, E, and reach down to lower E, G sharp, F sharp, E. With the finger numbers, it's 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 5, reach down, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1. Here it is again. Now you try it. Great job! Now your left hand will put its thumb, its one finger, on middle C. The three finger will be on A. It will play both of those notes together and rest, and then E and G sharp with the 5 finger and 3 finger together and rest. Again, we have our 1 and 3, move down, 5 and 3. I'm going to play that one more time. Now you try. Wonderful. We're going to do both hands together. It will sound like this. I'm going to do that one more time. Now you try. Great job. Now for the next two measures, we will put our one finger back on A again, and the right hand will play A, C, B, A, E, and low E. Again, that's 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 5. Reach down with a thumb. Here it is once more. Now you try. Great job. Now for your left hand, it repeats what it did last time, but we'll review that. Your A with your 3 finger and your 1 finger on C will play together, and they'll rest, and then, and rest. That bottom note is your E with your 3 on G sharp. Again, that's. Now you try. Great job. Now let's put both hands together. We'll start here with our thumb on A and our left hand thumb on C. Again, that sounds like. Now you try. Great job. The next section is exactly the same as what you already learned, so I'm going to play it for you a little slower, and then you can play it a few times through on your own. Now you try. Great job. Now let's look at the next line. Your right hand will put its 4 finger on A, and it will begin with A, B flat, A, G, F, D, D, and then move your 3 onto the F, E, D. Now with finger numbers, it looks like this. 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, stretch the thumb, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to play that again. One last time. Now you try. Wonderful. All right, now for the left hand. The left hand will put its 2 finger on C sharp and its 4 finger on A and play those 2 notes together. Then it will stretch the 5 finger down to the F and play it with the thumb on D. So that will look like this. A and C sharp, F and D. One more time. All right, now you try. Great job. I'm going to play both hands together now. It will look like this. One more time. Now you try. Great job. Let's move on to the next 2 measures. You will put your right hand 4 finger on G. We will play G, 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 A, G, F, E. Move that thumb. C, C, E, D, C. With finger numbers, it sounds like 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stretch out. 1, 1, 3, 2, 1. Going to do that again. One more time. Now you try. Awesome. Now for your left hand, it will put the 2 finger on B, 4 finger on G, and play those together. And then the pinky stretches out to E, and the thumb plays C. Again, it's here. 4 and 2, 5 and 1. One last time. Now you try. Great job. I'm going to play both hands together now. My right hand has the 4 on G, my left hand has the 4 on G, and they will start together. Again, it sounds like this. Now you try. Great job. Let's move on to the next phrase. Your right hand 5 finger will go on F and it will play F, B, B, D, C, B, and shift down a little bit to put the 5 on E, E, A, C, B, A. With your finger numbers, that looks like 5, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 5, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to play that again. Now you try. Great job. For the left hand, the thumb, 1 finger will go on D with your 3 finger on B. You will play both of those together, and then the C and A with your 4 and 2. Again, 1 and 3, 4 and 2. Now you try. Great job. Let's put both hands together. Your right hand is starting with the 5 on F. Your left hand has a thumb on D. Together it sounds like this. Again, it's like this. Now you try. Great job. Let's try the last 2 measures. Your right hand thumb will start on F, and your pinky, your 5 finger, will reach up to the D sharp, and it will play F, D sharp, lower E, higher E, D, B, A. With your finger numbers, that's 1, 5, 1, 5, 4, 2, 1. I'm going to play that again. One more time. Now you try. Awesome. To finish with your left hand, it will begin with its 4 on F and 2 on A. We're going to play those 2 notes together. Then your 5 finger will play the E, and your thumb will reach up to the D. Then we will finish up with the A and C with your 2 finger and thumb, and hop down to the low A. Again, that's 2 and 4 on D and A. Reach up with that thumb, then C and A, and hop down. One more time. Now you try. Great job. Let's put both hands together to finish this. One more time. Now you try. Great job. Here's what Caprice sounds like all the way through with the repeat.